twatandikana nangwa na briefing narishiyo kubanza kushomesa abatezi b'Akaruru omukasheshe nabanyuma twareba baba nominatinga picking nomination forms nabanyuma abahokora campaigns kandi twareba habo kutera Karuru aha abantu bishatu shinana okurgo mu district seshatu na munana twarangu obururu bishatu ballot papers bishatu nshanjo na mushanjo zo zabarwa aha Abatari center kandi no kumanyisa ngo ubwa hati turiyo tugenda misho kubuza twareba ubutantuje mukasheshe batugira ngo shaha 10 zo mwaze bashemekwa bahereze kutera Karuru eshaheje nyine omwami Beime Robert Kandogu nwe yakurra akaruraka erizo banyenda tushoborere waturaganisa ngo shaha 10 muzakuba mwatandishire kubara Karuru mwahereze echareteze shatu chemerira hanisi
right yebare mnonga Olivia kumpereza kakanya kuganira n'abatulikize abari kutureba mikoto nasha abatulikize turiyo mwanya hano yaguba kweta akasha country in chamgoranyi nigo mwanya oguri gazetted by the electoral commission omo exercise yo kutorana the 10 delegates from the western region for electing the non-unionized workers narishi abakozi abatine Ebyasiiba mbwenu okugaruka mu kibuzo cyawe ekyatuma polling process yataha mu bwire bw'ekiro. When we opened the floor for nominations, ladies and gentlemen, abatulikize harugayo ba candidates 88 48 delegates out of 380 nibo ba picking interest omukweta abana lisho mukwesi mu ya Karuru. So your guess is as good as mine. 48 out of 380, that's a high percentage. Twatunga ba candidates bingi munonga. Now wecho ballot paper eitwa manufacturing jira mu Haleji Center yabere impango munonga. Buli delegates, each of the 380 delegates or there about narajiba kuronda 10 delegates. So definitely as the vote counting is unfolding, it was bound to be protracted. Konkaundi kugambira na naganirireho nabukira kwataho Halejo meza eri kubara obururu na nabali kutaringa bali kungira ngo abantu in total abahe kale ogumanya abatera Karuru out of 380, and kudos to the delegates, the turn up was high. Out of 380, 377 turned up. Mweno ubwinji babo bazire aina ilikuwa kugamba ni wali kuza kunyeta kuganira na tayari kuna abuza bagira ngo babasigezeyo obururu nkanshanju kubara. Now I've been here for like about 5 minutes and the counting is going on. Tomanya no sure my guess is hasigereyo nko obururu nka 50. So we are in the tail end of the counting and tallying. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very unique election where the entire electoral process takes place in one day from 10 a.m. up to 4 p.m. So we opened the program where each segment will end. So we are at the tail end. Ladies and gentlemen, we are midwives. We are in the labor ward, turi mu theater, and niturajibwa kuzara abani 10 zoba. So we are going to give birth to 10 bouncing electoral babies who will be the representatives of the western region non-unionized workers. That's what I could say.
Twareba actually Karuru kerizo bakaba peaceful. Twendo tuhereza okache general assessment ya Karuraka okagenda iwenko abakebe mbiyotyon twirira okahende.
Yes, general assessment. I begin with the footprint of voter turn-up. The voter turn-up was impressive. Nana kumulikira ngo 377 delegates voted. Nashuba na kumulikira wangu of the 48 candidates who expressed interest, 46 returned their nomination forms. So the ballot paper has 46 candidates. When already the interest in this election has been high. You can even see that there is a sizable number of delegates who want to witness the eventual delivery of the electoral babies. Ekindi ekyomutaano ndi kwebaza Uganda Police. Tuli kulabya omu authority ya RPC na kukira munonga OC station. Leka nkozese ekigambo ky'Oluganda. Uganda Police yatuyiwiraho omubiri, but they have been passionate about provision of security, especially in this cantonment in this tent. So ebyo nibyo bice ebinkubasa kubamurikiraho. Generally, we think, without being understood to be blowing my trumpet, but as God as my witness, I believe that the election process was self-accounting, it was very transparent. It has an audit trail of documents which are verifiable. We are now waiting for the final delivery. I believe when we go to sleep today, you will tell the listeners that it was a successful election.
Thank you so much. Webale mnonga kano kujangu wajara Akaruru ko bisinja kuwa ebembera erizobo lya tayari Western za kuongera kusia hona mnonga abarasinje na haza kutoranwa abantu 10 omuri abantu 10 hasheme kuba harmu abakazi bashatu abarabene bembe na delegates kurga omu Western region. Abatari Western di Olivia Kamsi.